Certificate of Canvass Eastern Samar for Vice President Marcos 54,985, Robredo 94,061, Trillanes 5,467, Cayetano 15,039, Escudero 41,494, Honasan 4,863.
Next is Cebu.
We now open this ballot box, COC 141.
132,775, Trillanes 5,446, Cayetano 17,043, Escudero 62,472, Honasan 7,940.
Next is Marinduque.
Ballot box with the marking COC
22,972. Signeres, 112. Binay, 27,084. Defensor Santiago, 883. Duterte, 141,511.
Certificate of Canvass Sarangani, Vice President Marcos 66,484, Robredo 47,803, Trillanes 7,131, Cayetano 47,826, Escudero 15,660, Honasan 7,990.
And finally for tonight, Agusa del Sur.
Of null votes at that time. And there was no explanation yet, simply because the Supreme Court had not decided with finality of the case of then Vice Presidential candidate Mar Rojas. What is sauce for the gander should be sauce for the goose. What we are saying is, we are not saying that the undervotes went to a particular candidate. What we are actually saying is based only on our observation, based on each and every COC being examined by the board. We are not saying that it went to one candidate, that we lost votes in this particular COC. That is for the board to appreciate, and that is for future reference, for historical purposes, and to emphasize that perhaps something went wrong as far as our computerized elections is concerned. Your Honor, yesterday, the total undervotes for Vice President is 623,179. For today, the total number of undervotes for Vice President is 2,705,276 for a total of 3,328,455. Whatever is the explanation, whether that is no vote for any particular candidate for Vice President, still to us, that is a very large amount of votes. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Anyway, the chair now directs the inclusion of the same in the canvas and the Secretary General to announce the results.
Certificate of Canvass Agusan del Sur. For President, Po, 13,847. Rojas, 15,000. Correction. Rojas, 150,613. Signeres, 195. Binay, 7,329. Defensor Santiago, 968. Duterte, 115,869.
Certificate of Canvass Agusan del Sur for Vice President Marcos 48,494, Robredo 151,451, Trillanes, 3,435. Cayetano, 51,594. Escudero, 18,595. Honasan, 4,162.
A while ago, we suspended consideration of the COC in Canada because of the absence of a manually transmitted COC. And we are directing the COMELEC to give us, to provide us with the explanation, not later than tomorrow afternoon, why there was no manual, we have not received a manual transmission of the COC. Likewise, we have suspended the canvass for Iloilo City and have directed the appearance of the chairperson of the city board of canvasser. In order to obviate the possibility that there might be no that said official may not be able to produce what we will need to compare with the electronically transmitted result, then in accordance with Section 17 of our rules, we are requiring the COMELEC to submit, to also make available for us, in the event that it is needed, an authentic copy of the said COC of the city of Iloilo. May nakakalimutan mo ba? Wala na, no? Meron pa ba ako nakakalimutan?